Guys, I welcome you to today's lecture. My name still remains Bolaji Johnson, your coach. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, click on like button, and also don't forget to press the notification button. And the reason is that the moment I drop another new video, the system will automatically inform or alert you. So guys, today we shall be talking about a beautiful, topic, how to generate a systematical font design. What I mean by systematical font design, it's really different from just using a font as it is to make your design. But being systematical in using your font is as a process of using image to depict a particular morpheme. Let me say a particular letter. Yeah, a particular letter to describe your designs, to describe your theme or title or whatever your topic could be. So guys, I want you to listen attentively on how I'll be teaching you how to do this very particular topic, which is called how to make a font to depict your subject. So guys, let's go there. Alright class, welcome to today's lecture. As I've instructed you to meet me in this class. Now I'm going to show you these particular designs and how I'm able to come up with a font that depicts your designs, font that depicts, that brings up images that describe what you are talking about or what you are designing. So this is a design that was done by me, and this is what I call a systematic way of designing or coming up with good fonts. Systematical way of creating fonts. Now, when you look at this, we have His Majesty Youth. And what is systematic about this? We have the T that is being used in a different or systematical way, and it is being done on a t-shirt. It is going to be printed on a t-shirt. The same thing with I have here. The difference between these two things is the color of the t-shirt. This is black and this is white. Now the next one in my page 2 is this. Though I have shown you guys in our group chat in our platform, and this was the design that I created last night. And when you look at it, it is so creative to the extent that my client was just wow about this concept. Now look at this. We have the Sons of Issachar Youth Conference 2024 with the thing, we sign for exploit. We sign for exploit. Now what is exploit? What are they signing? And this is just a subject matter that you really need to work on systematically. Now when you don't have this idea in your in you, when you don't have this idea in you, and this is the reason why you must pay attentive to every of my teaching. If you don't pay attention, you might be missing some of the things I'm telling you. So you need to be watching my video over and over again to be able to become a professional in the work of graphic design. Now look at this. We sign for exploit. Now in my own subconscious mind, I decide to use X systematically. To capture the mind of my client or the mind of the viewer. Now we see, we sign for exploit. So we sign for exploit. Now as a designer, you need to think deep. You need to think well, so that you can be, your designs can be, attractive to all your clients. Look at this. Okay, I think I use this is the font I use. Okay, then I decide to play with the X. So how do I get this? What you need to do now that you've gotten the concept inside of you, you go to Google, type X logo. That is what I told you guys. Now you should be familiar with Google search. Then look for the one that suits what you have in mind. Like this is another one that can be used, but I decided not to use that. I kept on searching. I kept on searching. This is another one that can be used. I kept on searching till I found the one that was used in my design. I search and search and search and search. Yes, this is where I got it from. Then I copied it. Go to my page, CorelDRAW page, paste it. Then I have to extract this alone from it. Go to locate trace bitmap. If you want to extract it, locate trace bitmap, click on it, click on put trace. Then once it's done, you bring this out, the first layer, you bring it out, then you click the down one, which is this. You click this, sorry, you click this, delete. Then you come here, you zoom out, delete this, you don't need it, you don't need it, delete this. Then word it, group it and word it, because we have two type of color here which has been, broken. So you word it. This is how to do that. Then you click it here. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Then you can now do whatever you want to do. Now what I did here was to use this same color I used here. I use it here too, red. So it is as simple as that. This is how to come up with great concepts using your fonts to systematically, come up with great design. Come up with great designs. So it is as simple as that. Then the last one which I did, though I may not really go deeper here because it took me a lot of time to really get to this state. Now this is covenant of lifting. We are talking about lifting. So what I did here was to, I think to get this thing done, lifting. Okay, this is the major subject, lifting. Now I would have loved to use this. Depending, I would have loved to use this or this, which is what I did. Then you can see the same font. That is why I said the font is very useful. The same font. Then I went to Google to search for exciting youth. This is how to get all these things done. Google has really made things easy. Exciting youth. Then you search and search. Can you see? So I can decide to use this because the jump is lifting. They jump up. So let me use this for instance. Okay. I hope you guys are learning something valuable here. If you are just joining me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like like what I do, like my page, and also click on the notification button for a reminder when I drop another video. So you can see what I did. Okay, you can see what I did here. So if I really want to make it look more professional, I will have to do cutouts. Though I'm still going to teach you in a different class, but let me just quickly do it. I will have to do this, okay, because of our time. I will have to do this. I will take my time to teach you this particular magic I'm doing here. Okay. Delete. Then this other side. Okay. Sorry that I'm rushing. I will take my time to teach you guys what I'm really doing here. Okay. Then here we go. Here we go. So guys, this is how I was able to use an image to systematically form high fonts, a single letter high font to get this. So guys, watch out for my next class as I'll be teaching you in a proper way on how to do this perfectly as a graphic designer. See you in my next class.